and details are following there. But let's move on and talk to Pradeep Jain, Chairman of Parsvnath Developers, who joins us. There's been news about the company. The company is looking for more funding from private equity players. And let's go across the stock today. That's down very marginally there, down about 3% or so. But the stock has been, well, realty stocks have not done very well. And let's go across and speak to him. Thank you so much, Mr. Jain, for joining us. Parsvnath has been one of the few developers which have been coming out with PE funding with agreement with maybe Sun Apollo earlier, a real estate fund there. How much have you raised from PE players via project level stake sale?
See, in last one and a half year, we did couple of private equity transactions, and all put together around 680 odd crore rupees we basically raised through the project on project basis out of the Sun Apollo and the Red Fort and the others. And going forward, our focus regularly on private equity on a project on project basis, where we feel the unlock the valuation strength of the private equity investor to come and to give us the execution opportunity, fast execution opportunity, and the right valuation on right terms.
You also, Mr. Jain, you've been able to successfully deleverage your balance sheet. What is the current level of debt on your balance sheet, and how much would you look to bring it down even further?
Presently our debt in the tune of about 1100 odd crore, and the debt equity ratio about 0.45. And going forward within this calendar year, what we foresee our debt bring down to in the tune of about 500 to 700 crore from present level.
Also wanted to understand with the new launches that you're seeing, and just give us a sense of what the new launches are looking like, and execution versus new launches. Where would the focus be for the company in the next, let's say, 12 to 18 months?
See, basically the company at present focusing completely on execution and delivery. Presently, we are executing around 80 odd million square feet area on a fast track on completion, and out of which about 42 million square feet is already pre-sold. We are presently focusing to sell the unsold stock under the ongoing project. We are not majorly focusing on new launches, but at the same time, wherever we got the new approvals of the property, where we own the land, etc., we are focusing to the new launches, but not aggressively towards the new launching than to execute and deliver the ongoing project and to launch or to sell the unsold stock out of the existing ongoing projects.
Christian, prices already seem to be around that 2007-2008 peak levels, at least in tier 1 cities. How do you see the pricing environment ahead?
See, the prices environment is too good, and the price is bound to be go up, not in every location or in every project, but on project location, on the project on project basis, and on the basis of the the location on location. And what I foresee in next 9 to 12 months, the price bound to go up further in the tune of about 5 to 15%.
To 15%. So do you think further rate hikes from RBI would actually be detrimental for the demand situation, because loans for the average consumer, that becomes more expensive? How does that impact your demand?
See, what I foresee in the coming the credit policy around 25 to 50 basis point, further interest cost may increase. But I don't think that will emerge a major impact to the real estate company as a whole, because like if you ask about us on regular basis, month on month basis, we keep reducing our debt position. And if 25 basis or 50 basis point interest cost increase, and when we work out on a project basis, that is not going to be impact much to our balance sheet. Related to the demand and to the end user consumer, all the financial institution, housing finance companies already increased little bit the mortgage rate of interest, and I don't foresee further the mortgage rate of interest to be increased, and in a way the price start going up in last 12 months time. As you said, in couple of locations prices are all-time high. I don't foresee the consumer who is end user stay back to purchase the new properties.
Okay, thanks so much, Mr. Jain. Thank you indeed for finding out time for NDTV Profit. We thank you indeed for your time. Let's move on and talk about the big numbers that are expected today. TCS, after Infosys disappointed a little bit